Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Hopper. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Cryptomania. Let's jump straight to it. First, open up the Cryptomania app on your device. Here, you can see your current available balance. However, it's important to note that all the currency and funds within this app are virtual currencies, as it is a trading simulator. So let's get back to home screen and open the Play Store. Next, search for Cryptomania. And here, you can see that it says Trading Simulator. This means that the funds are not real, and there is no option to withdraw them to a bank account. Cryptomania is designed to help you master the art of trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. While you can trade on this platform and make virtual money, it cannot be converted into real currency that you can withdraw to your bank account. I've done some research, and while Cryptomania is not a scam, it's essential to understand that you cannot get real money for your cash prices. It's simply a trading simulator to practice trading. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.